Oh shit, thanks. Hell yeah. Another package. Killed two birds with one stone today. How y'all doing today, great people? Hey, welcome back to another video. And hold on, let me stop this video from playing. So now that's out of the way. Let me continue. So, old clutch, 2018. It sat too long to see what's bad. Got a new one, installed it. New slave cylinder, installed it. Nothing. So they're about to drop off a replacement. And this one better be good, O'Reilly's. It better be good. Tired of this shit. Right here. Oh, hold on. I gotta take a piece out of that. You can see it's in there, line's hooked up, everything's good. Oh shit, thanks. Hell yeah. Another package. Killed two birds with one stone today. My back. Oh. That's there. Come on. Come on. Yes. Pin. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have fluid. Just by hand, you can see. Close. Huh?
Watch the clutch board.
Woo, baby! Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So we got clutch finally, thanks to that man right there. All right, so one step closer to taking it to the house. I don't know if y'all are happy as I am, because I got clutch. We're gonna go with an 8. Catch y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all watching as always, and stick around for this video.